ओके, तो चलिए हम वीक 3 में आ गए हैं और हमने 2 वीक में 2 वीक हो चुके हैं और हमने 28 श्लोकास कवर कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। तो वीक 3 और वीक 4 में हम बाकी के श्लोकास जो बचे हैं चैप्टर 1 के उसको डिवाइड करेंगे। तो हो सकता है कि हम 14 श्लोकास कवर ना करें, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि हम लॉजिकल एंड दे चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर, ठीक है। तो मैं वीक 3 में अराउंड 10 श्लोकास कवर करूँगा और बाकी के श्लोकास मैं नेक्स्ट वीक में कवर करूँगा, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यते वेप्थुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षस्य जायते। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, गांडीवं स्रंसते हस्ता त्वक्चैव परिधीयते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशवः न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, न कांक्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किम भोगैर्जीवितेन वा। ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा मीनिंग पे हम जाते हैं। तो बेसिकली अर्जुन इज़ इन टोटली confused state, right? And he's feeling weak, right? And because of his emotional, right, so a lot of emotions which are getting generated, right, he's not able to take a decision, right, which is with the wisdom. So and things are happening to him and he has no control of it, right? And that happens, right, when you are overwhelmed with I mean when you are not and it happens, right, when you are not ready to take a certain decision, right, in your life, and you start talking more philosophical about it, right, and you don't want to confront that situation, and then you say, okay, why should I do that, this has not done that, and all of those things, right? So this is more philosophical, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं। येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणास्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, आचार्यः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहः मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्राः शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घनतोऽपि मधुसूदनः अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्राणां का प्रीतिसया जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली जो श्लोकास हैं इसमें भी Arjun is trying to be philosophical, and then he is trying to give a reasoning, right, and saying that again these are all reasonings based on emotions which are developing, right. When you want to let's say you have done something, right, uh, and you are not very confident why you have done it, right, then you accentuate with lot of reasonings, right, why I have done it, right. you want you wanted to prove that, right, that yeah, these are the couple of reasons why I have done that, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट श्लोका पे जाते हैं। ये लास्ट 2 श्लोकास होंगे हमारे। तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् कथं फिर से, तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनश्याम माधवः। नेक्स्ट श्लोक, यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षये कृतं दोषम मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम। ठीक है, तो ये नेक्स्ट दो और श्लोकास है। अगेन इन श्लोकास में भी अर्जुन ने वही करने की कोशिश की है। ही इज ट्राइंग टू जस्टिफाई वाई दिस वॉर इज़ नॉट करेक्ट, राइट। एक और चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा मैं कि जो मैंने शायद कवर नहीं किया होगा, ठीक है। Whenever we feel sorry for oneself, okay, and also sorry for others, right, and then um, um, uh, right, these are kind of negative emotions, right? I mean, similarly to what you say, right, when you are feeling regret about what you have done, right? So these are some of the negative emotions which you should try to avoid it, right? Regretting about the past, what has already happened, right, which you don't have a control. Similarly, anxious about the future, right? So these are the two things which is kind of where people this is kind of why the ignorance, right? This shows your ignorance about it. Okay, so this how we cover the week 3. We'll meet for the week 4. Thank you, take care, bye bye.